Let me tell you the story of the elephant's rope. One day, a gentleman was walking in elephant camps. He spotted a group of elephants that were not kept in cages, but they failed to run away. He was confused by this scene and he was very curious to know what happens. The only thing that kept these elephants from breaking away was a small piece of rope that was tied to their legs, one of their legs. Curious by this scene, the gentleman approached the trainer of the elephants and he asked him, "Why do you think these elephants do not break away and escape? And the only thing that keeps them in the camp is that little rope that is tied to one of their legs." The trainer said, "Let me tell you the story. When they are very young and very small, we tie them to the same rope. So when they grow up, they are still mentally conditioned that they cannot break away because that rope is still holding them. They believe when they grow older and bigger that that little rope will never let them free. So they keep that mindset forever and they will never run away." The moral of the story, no matter how many people try to change your mindset, it's really hard for them to do so unless you have the willpower and you are mentally conditioned that you can change. I noticed that when people approach me and they say, "I will never learn English," that is actually pretty much the same rope that holds you from achieving your goals and your dreams. If you are mentally conditioned since you are young, or somebody told you that you will never be able to set free and approach new life, or change your lifestyle, or change one of the bad habits that you have, or be able to learn a language, you will never achieve that goal unless you're mentally conditioned positively that you can change. If you want to change somebody's ideas, think how many people are needed to change one of your ideas. It's really hard. So if you do not advocate for change, if you do not have the intrinsic belief that you can change, you will still be held to that same rope in that camp and you will never set your skills free for change. So try to change yourself and cut that rope, because now you're stronger, you're bigger, and you're smarter. Have a wonderful day.